hiding internal implementation. Hide internally how it is implemented. Hiding internal implementation. So hiding internal implementation, just highlight the set of services what we are going to offer is the concept of abstraction. Okay, now if you click withdraw button, if you click withdraw button, sir, I'm taking withdraw button. If you click withdraw button, if you enter 10,000, so you will get a 10,000. So internally how this functionality is implemented, which SQL query is executing, where is the database server is locating, all these things bank people they never going to highlight. Are you in the position to understand, right? So this is the this type of feature is nothing but abstraction, sir. Bank people through ATM GUI screen are getting through ATM GUI screen, they are going to highlight the set of services what they are offering. Hide the internal implementation and highlight the set of services what we are going to offer is the concept of abstraction. Hiding internal implementation, just highlight the set of services what we are offering is the concept of abstraction. So best example for abstraction is ATM GUI screen. Bank people are going to highlight several services, but they never going to highlight internally how these services are implemented. First advantage is wherever hiding is there, the biggest advantage what we are going to get is security. Second biggest advantage what we are going to get is, suppose tomorrow this functionality already implemented by using Java. Because end user what is seeing is always the same, but internally how that functionality is implemented, yes, we can able to perform any changes. Next, if abstraction is there, if you are not going to highlight your internal implementation to the outside person, okay, maintainability of the application is going to be improved.